Hello, I would like to show you how to use a no contact electrical tester. No contact means we do not need to remove the insulation to test the presence of electricity. Basically, in a normal tester we need to remove the insulation to test, but in a no contact we don't need to remove the insulation. So let's start it. So it has a torchlight switch and the on-off switch. So let's start the torchlight, but we do not need the torchlight right now. We have enough light. So turn it on. Now we can see the presence of electricity here. And the circuit breaks here. We can see there is a very low intensity voltage here, but in this side there is a high intensity of voltage here. How it works: if we bring this device to a voltage source, voltage also induced inside this tester. This is how it works. So basically, voltage presence here, very high voltage, high intensity, but this side it's a very low intensity showing here. But turn it on and you see the very high intensity, the voltage presence here. But if you turn it off, it immediately goes back to very low intensity voltage here, very high. This is a very useful tool to find the presence of electricity in a wire without removing the insulation. But with a normal tester, we cannot see anything here because of the insulation. We have to remove the insulation to test it here, which is not convenient. But this one can show the presence of electricity. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.